Okay, Year 10 Maths. How are you going to start your Year 10 year the best way? First thing, just like I said in my grade 8 video and my grade 9 video, equipment. Make sure you have all your equipment ready to go next week. It's making sure you've got your books, making sure you've got pens, making sure you've got a calculator. Check which calculator you need. If you're going in to, so some 10 methods will look at starting using a graphics calculator. Others will still be using the scientific calculator. So just make sure you've got the one that your teacher has requested or your school has requested, and making sure that it doesn't need the battery change, that it's still working, that you know where it is because you've had a big holiday, and making sure you've got your book to write in, making sure everything is ready to go for the year. The big thing in grade 10, I would say, is the algebra. If you are starting in 10 methods, you're going to be starting looking at your algebra, your multiplying terms, adding terms, dividing terms, making sure you have remembered your rules for that. When we've got, so if we have a squared, that means a times a, all of those kind of things that you learned back in grade 9, your algebra skills, your factorising, your expanding, all of that is going to be built on. You'll also revisit some of those topics like trigonometry and volume, surface area measurement, those kind of things. But I think the big one in grade 10 that you're going to find is the algebra. You're going to need to have your algebra skills for grade 10.